Attract top talent and build a high-performing team with our comprehensive Recruit module. Manage your entire recruitment process from a single platform. Gain a clear overview of your talent pipeline with our centralized dashboard that tracks applications, interview schedules, and candidate statuses. Focus on finding the right fit. Identify and define essential skills for open positions, allowing the system to effectively match candidates based on their qualifications. Create compelling job postings in minutes. Specify job details, requirements, and integrate your company branding for a professional image. Attract the best talent with clear and informative job descriptions. Manage candidate applications effectively. Review resumes, assess skills, and track the progress of each candidate throughout the hiring process. Schedule interviews effortlessly. Coordinate interview times with candidates and interviewers directly within the system, ensuring a smooth and efficient process. Manage offer letters with ease. Create and send personalized offer letters electronically, streamlining the hiring process and improving candidate experience. Build a talent pool for future opportunities. Maintain a centralized database of qualified candidates for future hiring needs, ensuring a readily available pool of talent. Streamline interview scheduling. Use the built-in calendar tool to schedule interviews efficiently, find suitable times for candidates and interviewers, and reduce scheduling conflicts. Effortlessly manage offer letters. Send personalized offer letters to your top candidates and track the acceptance process electronically for quicker decision-making. Build a valuable candidate pool. Maintain a centralized database of qualified candidates for future recruitment needs. Effectively search and filter candidates based on skills, experience, and other relevant criteria. Gain valuable insights with comprehensive reports. Track recruitment performance metrics, analyze candidate demographics, and identify trends to optimize your hiring strategies.